Refer to the figure below. I have these three triangles. Which triangles are congruent by ASA theorem? ASA theorem means angle, side, angle. It means that the triangle has to be congruent using angle, side, angle. So let's see this who is congruent to each other. Now I have x, y, z has angle 52 and angle 41 and the side is 11. So this is angle, side, angle. So let's see HGF, okay, the angle congruent and here angle, but the side is not in this side, it's 11 here. So this triangle will not be congruent with this triangle. Now here, let's see the M and V. So I have X 52 and I have V 52. Now the other angle is 41 and the angle M here is 41 and the side is 11 here and the side is 11 here. So these two triangles are congruent. Now, so here we can say X, Y, Z triangle will be congruent. Now X is congruent to V. So triangle V. And here Y is congruent, angle Y is congruent with angle N. And X is congruent with V. And Z is congruent to M. So M. Now let's see the answers here. Select order to apply. Angle X, Z, Y, X, Z, Y. So X, Z, Y congruent to V, M, N. So X, as we said, it's congruent to V. Okay, this is right. Now, Z congruent with M, Z congruent with M. This is right also. And Y congruent with N, so this is the right answer. Second one, MVN congruent with triangle ZXY. M congruent to Z, yes, right. V congruent with X, yes, both are 52. And N congruent to Y, so this is also a right answer. Now, triangle HFG is congruent with triangle XYZ, we said no. This is not a right answer. And triangle NVM congruent with FGH, this is also the wrong answer because the theorem of angle side angle, this is angles, it's like this, angle side angle is not here in triangle HFG, so it will not be congruent by ASA theorem. Okay? Refer to the figure below to answer the question. Select the correct option from the drop-down menu to make the statement below true. Triangle XWY. I have XWY. This triangle. Okay. Congruent with triangle VWZ. VWZ. By that. So let's see here. From here, we can see that this side is congruent with this side because they are equal. You see, two line here, so they are equal. And also this side is equal to this side, so they are congruent. And I have this angle is equal or congruent to this angle. So that means that these two triangles are congruent by SAS postulate. SAS, it means side, and A is angle, and S is side. And here it's side, angle, side, angle, side. Here, side, angle, side. So this is will be the right answer, SAS postulate. Given ACB is an equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle means I have ACB equilateral triangle that all the sides are equal. Here is saying such that measurement of angle B equal to 60. Okay. And measurement of angle A is 2x plus 8. What is the value of x? Okay. Equilateral triangle, that means all sides are equal, so all angles also are equal. So measurement of angle C will equal to measurement of angle B will be equal to measurement of angle A. All them will equal to 60. So this is 60, C is 60, angle A also is 60. Okay, so now to get x, so measurement of angle A said that equal to 2x plus 8, and measurement of angle A is 60 degree, so 60 will equal to 2x plus 8. Now it's normal, go here, 8 will go here to minus 8, so 60 minus 8 will be equal to 52, equal to 2x, divide by 2, divide by 2. So now here x will be equal to 26. Okay, 52 divided by 2 is equal to 26. So the answer here, it will be 26. Refer to the diagram below. I have all here that this triangle, all angles are 60, are equal to 60. This 60, 60, 63 triangles. So that all sides also will be equal. Okay, here is saying what is the value of y. I have here 3y plus x, this is 4x, and this is 44. Anyway, to get y, because all the angles are 60, so all the opposite sides are equal. So this is quadrilateral triangle. So that means that this side will equal to this side, and this side is equal to this side, and this side equal to this. So all three sides are equal. So now we have here this side, 4x will be equal to 44. So 4x will be equal to 44. So because I have here 3y plus x, so I have to get x first. Once I get x, I'll substitute in this equation 3y plus x, and this side equal to 44, because we said all sides are equal. I can get the y. So first of thing, we'll get x now. So here divide by 4, divide by 4. So x will be equal to 11. So now x equal to 11. Now we substitute x in the equation of 3y plus x. So here 3y plus x equal to also to 44. So 44 will equal 3y plus 11. Substitute x, which 11 in this equation. 11 will go to the other side with minus 11. So it will be 33 equal to 3y divide by 3, divide by 3. So here y also will be equal to 11. So y equal to 11. Given ACB and DFE are two isosceles triangles with respective vertex A and D, such that angle C congruent with angle E, measurement of angle B equal to 74, and measurement of angle F equal to 2x plus 12. What is the value of x? Okay. Now I have ACB, so let's say this is ACB. Okay. The second triangle is DFE. DFE. This is DFE. Okay. With respect to vertex A and D. So we have A and D respective vertex. Okay. Such that angle C, so angle C congruent with angle E. Okay. And angle B, measurement of angle B is 74. And measurement of angle F is 2x plus 12. Okay. Here, when you say respective vertex and isosceles, that means that all these sides are equals. So these two angles are equal also. And these two triangles are congruent. So here, when the triangle is isosceles, so the base angle are equal. So here, angle B is 74. Okay. So that means angle F is 74 because the two triangles are congruent. And here it's given that angle E are congruent, angle C is congruent to angle E. So that means 2x plus 12 equal to 74 because angle F congruent to angle P. Okay, now this is a normal equation. 12 will come here with minus, so it will be 62 equal to 2x. So divide by 2, so x will be equal to 31. So the answer here, x is equal to 31. In the figure below, ray zx bisects angle yzt. What does it mean here? That means that this angle 2 equal to angle 3 because this ray bisects the angle yzt, so angle 2 will congruent to angle t. Okay, drag and drop the correct option from the list menu to make the statement true. Now, triangle XYZ. Triangle XYZ. Congruent to which triangle? Okay, let's see here. Now I have this side YZ equal to ZT, and these two angles are equal. And this side in the middle between these two triangles, the same side, right? For example, triangle XYZ will be congruent with XTZ. So here it will be equal with XTZ, because angle A, angle X are same, or angle Z are same, they are congruent here, and also here they will be congruent. And this side is equal to this side, so this angle will be congruent to this angle. Angle Y will be congruent to angle T. Okay, now by which method they are congruent? It is side angle side. Side angle side. this side is equal to congruent to this side. This angle are both of them are congruent because the zx bisects this angle, and this side is common between these two triangles. So it will be SAS postulate. So this is the right answer. Given triangle ABC is isosceles with a vertex A. So I have A, B, C. A is a vertex, so the B and C will be the base. And this is the isosceles. So by default, because it's isosceles, angle B and angle C are equal or are congruent. Here it's saying angle A is congruent with angle B. So because of angle A congruent with angle B and angle B is congruent with angle C, so angle A will be congruent with angle C. This is called a transitive property. Okay. Now let's see. Prove that ABC is equilateral. Equilateral, that means all the angles are equals. So in this case, all the sides are equal. Now B and C, because this is isosceles, are equal, and A equal to B and B equal to C, so A equal to C, that all the angles are equals, so all the sides will be equal, so this will be an equilateral triangle. Now let's see the statements here. Now here, angle ABC is isosceles, yeah, it's mentioned in the question, with a vertex A, okay, and angle A congruent to angle B. This is a given, okay. Now angle B congruent to angle C, yes, by default, because this is isosceles, and B and C are the base. So this is called a base. The reason this is a base angle of an isosceles isosceles triangle. Okay. Now angle A congruent to angle B, which is given, and angle B congruent to angle C. So angle A congruent to angle B congruent to angle C. This is called a transitive property, right? So that means that triangle ABC is equilateral. This is the definition of equilateral bilateral triangle. Okay. Now refer to the figure below to answer the question. I have three triangles here. Okay, fill in the blank with the three letters in the correct order. Okay. Triangle is different from and congruent to triangle ACB. ACB by ASA theorem, it's angle side angle. Angle side angle. Okay. Let's see here. Now I have angle A is congruent. Angle A, this is side, this is angle, and the side AC is 8, and the angle is 45. So let's see which triangle have the same thing here. Now I have here, this is 45, 45, and 8. This is 44 and 45. So this angle, this triangle will not be congruent. Now angle A is can equal to angle E here in this triangle CFE. Okay. And angle C, ACB, is equal in triangle ECF. Okay, and the side AC and the side EF are equal, and this is angle, side, angle, and this is angle, side, angle. Okay, so that means these two triangles are congruent. Now, so I have here ACB. So A is congruent to E. So the first letter will be E. C, it will be C, the same. And B will be F. So the answer now, triangle ACF, and this is the correct order, is different from and congruent to triangle ACP by angle side angle theorem. Given triangle UVW is isosceles with vertex U, so here W and V will be the base, so UV will be equal to UW. This is isosceles. And O is the midpoint of VW. So O is the midpoint of VW, so that means that OW will be equal to VO. Now choose the correct option from the drop-down menu to make each statement true. Statement number one, triangle UVW is isosceles with a vertex, same what is written in the question, so this will be given. Now segment UV congruent to UW, this is definition of isosceles triangles. Now here OV congruent to OW, congruent to OW, this is a definition of midpoint. So this is definition of midpoint. Okay, now OU congruent to OU, this is reflexive property. Okay, now triangle UVO. So triangle UVO congruent to UWO, congruent to UWO, right? Okay, now let's see how it was congruent. Now UV congruent to UW because they are equal. OW congruent to OV because they are equal. OU is a common side, which we mentioned here is a reflexive property. So that means these two triangles congruent of SSS theorem, side theorem. Okay, now so this will be SSS theorem, side by side theorem. Now, so because these two triangles are congruent, so angle 1 congruent to angle 2 and will be equal also. So this one is the corresponding angle congruent. Incongruent triangle are congruent. If a corresponding angle, incongruent triangle are congruent. Okay? In the diagram below, O is a midpoint of VW. So this side will be congruent to this side and equal. And I have this side equal to this side and congruent, and these two sides also are equal and congruent. Now drag and drop the correct option from the menu to make the statement below true. Now, triangle UOV, this triangle is congruent with which triangle here? I have this side congruent to this side, okay, and this side congruent to this side, and this side congruent to this side. So it will be with U congruent with L. So it will be triangle L. And O will be same. And here V, so it will be with W. So triangle LOW is congruent with triangle UOV, and this congruent by SSS theorem, side by side by side. These two sides are equal, these two sides are equal, three sides are equal in both triangles. So that means this is the answer. Question. I have this figure. What three letters other than MRN, okay, in the correct order must be used to fill in the blank? Okay. Now triangle MRN, congruent by with SAS postulate side angle side. So that means side angle side. So let's see here. Anyway, this from the figure, we're seeing that this side, which is RM, congruent with RQ because they are equal, right? And this side, which is Rn, are congruent with Rb because they are equal. And this angle congruent with this angle. And also congruent with this angle. But the problem in this triangle is not congruent with anyone because this is isosceles triangle and is not, and for example, Rn is not equal to Rm and Rb are not equal to Rn. So this triangle is not the right triangle. So the other triangle will be RBQ. Okay, now let's see how we make the order. Now here it's saying MRN. So M will be with Q. So it will be Q. And R, the same as R. And N will be with P. So triangle MRN congruent with triangle QRB by the SAS postulate, which is side angle side. In the figure below, triangle ABC is isosceles. N is a midpoint of BC, so NC will be equal to BN. And this is isosceles, so AC will be equal to AB because isosceles. Now, measurement of angle BAN. BAN is 36. Okay, fill in the blank. Measurement of BAC. BAC. Measurement will equal to. Here, as you see here, these two triangles are congruent, right? Because I have three sides. This is using SSS theorem. I have AB congruent with AC and NC congruent with BN and AN equal to EN. This is reflexive property. So that means these two triangles are congruent. So with these two triangles are congruent, that means the corresponding angles are equals. So if this angle BAN is 36, so the angle NAC is 36 also. So here we are saying that triangle BAN congruent to triangle CAN. This BAN congruent to CAN, okay? Because they are congruent, so angle BAN will be congruent to angle CAN, okay? And angle BAN is 36, so that means 36 would be equal to measurement of angle CAN, okay? So now, measurement of BAC will be equal to measurement of angle CAN plus measurement of angle NAB, and both of them 36, 36. So the answer will be 72. So here it will be 72. Refer to triangle XYZ. XYZ. Use two letters without the segment symbol to name the side included between triangle angle XYZ, XYZ, okay, and angle YXZ. So which line included between these two triangles? It will be XY. So XY or YX. Refer to the diagram below. Which side in triangle MNB, okay, must have length 23 for triangle MNB to be congruent to ABC by side angle side postulate. Side angle side. So here I'm seeing that AB congruent to MN, right? And so, and angle B and angle N are equal, so they are congruent. Okay, so this side and this side, so angle, so side, angle, side, so this side. And here, side, angle, side. So this side is 23, so here it will be 23. So the label, so the side must have the length of 23 in triangle MNB is BN or NB. Okay. Refer to the diagram below. I have this triangle. What is the value of x? We need to know the value of x. If you check this triangle, this side is 22 and this side is 22. So this angle, this triangle is isosceles. So this angle is 59. So x will be 59. Refer to the figure below. I have this figure. Given that in triangle ABC, 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 angle C congruent to angle B. So angle C congruent to angle B, 55, 55, those means these two sides are equal. So this is isosceles triangle. So what is the value of y? So let's see what is the value of y. So that means this side will be equal to this side. So AB equal to AC. AB is y plus 10 and AC is 2y minus 5. Okay, so let's move y here. So it will be 2 with minus y. So y minus 5 be equal to 10. Now let's put 5, put in the other side with positive. So y equal to 15. So y will be equal to 15. Okay. Now let's say in the question he asked about what is the value of BC. What is the value of line BC? So what you will do, you will see 3 multiply 15 minus 11. So 3 multiply 15 is 45 minus 11, it will be 34. Okay, and this side it will be 30 minus 5, 25, and this one will be 25. Okay? Refer to the diagram below, fill in the blanks with the whole number once x. Okay, I have here this triangle. Angle is 60, 60, 60. Three angles are equal. That means this is a equilateral triangle. Means all sides are equal. Now I have here this side is 20, this side is x, so that means x here would be equal to 20. Okay? Because these angles are equal, so this is equilateral triangle. That means all sides are equal. Now we get x here, so we have substitute x in this side, so y minus 3 multiply 20 equal to 20 because all sides are equal. So it will be y minus 60 equal to 20. So y will be equal to 80. After we move minus 6 to 8, it will be plus 60. So the answer will be x will be 20 and y will be 80. Okay? Refer to the diagram below. Which angle in triangle TSR, TSR, this is TSR, must measure 72 for triangle TSR to be congruent with triangle ABC, ABC by the side angle side postulate. Okay, now this side is 12, which is ST, and AB is 12. Okay, and AC is 18, and TR is 18. So now we need side angle side. So this is side angle side. This is side angle side. So A congruent to T. So the label is T. So the angle symbol is T or angle STR or angle RTS, all the same. What three letters in the correct orders must be used to fill in the blank? Okay. Triangle ABC. This is ABC is congruent to which triangle? This triangle, it has angle, side, angle, angle, side, angle. So angle C is congruent with angle D, it's 50. And angle B is congruent with angle E, is 42. And the side, angle, side, angle, so this is side CB congruent to DE. Okay, that means these two triangles are congruent. Okay, what about TUV? Let's see. Now, angle C is 50, angle U is 50. Good. Angle B is 42, angle T is 42. Okay. Now, the side, which is angle, we can say angle, side, angle. Here, angle, there is no side, then angle. The side is 8. Here, it's not here. So, this is not congruent. So, now, so this triangle is congruent to this triangle. And here C is congruent with D and B congruent with E and F congruent to A. So here A is congruent to F and B is congruent to E and C is congruent to D. So the answer will be triangle FED. Take care about the order of the letters, okay? Refer to the figure below to answer the question. Fill in blank with the three letters in the correct order. Now triangle is different from and congruent to triangle RSL. RSL. Okay, by angle side angle. I have angle side angle. Okay, now so I have here angle side angle. Now angle S is 35. So in here 35, yes, N is 35. And L 45 and L 45 and NL is 6 and N is 6. So triangle RSL is congruent to BNL So BNL because B is congruent with R and N is congruent with S and L is congruent with L. So the answer will be again triangle BNL. Consider the figure below. Choose the correct option from the drop-down menu, from drop list menu to make the statement below true. Now I have triangle LMK. LMK, this triangle is congruent to NMK, NMK by. So I have LM congruent with MN and KN congruent to KL and KM is congruent to KM. This is reflexive property and a common side. So it will be with SSS theorem, which is say side, side, side theorem. Refer to the diagram below. We have this diagram. What is the value of x? Okay, we see here CB equal to CA. It's 18. 18, that means is isosceles. Means angle B will be equal to angle A. So the answer of x is 61. Refer to the figure below as the figure given that in triangle ABC, angle C congruent to angle B. What is the value of y? Okay, we have here angle C congruent to angle B, so AC congruent to AB because it will be isosceles because it's 55, 55, so this is isosceles triangle. So AC will be equal to AB. So here we can say that y plus 14 would be equal to 5y minus 26. Now move y here with minus y and 26 minus 26 here to 26. So 4y will be equal to 40. So divide by 4, divide by 4. So y will be equal 10. So the answer here is 10. Refer to the diagram below. I have what is the value of y? I have triangle ABC. So I have AB equal to AC equal to BC. So this is equilateral triangle. So that means all angles are equal. So that means 5y, which is angle C, will equal to 60. Because this is equilateral triangle, so this is 60, this is will be 60, this also will be 60. So 5y equals 60. So divide by 5, divide by 5, so y will be equal to 12. Y will be equal to 12. So the answer here is 12.